It's inevitable. Winter is on its way, along with slippery road conditions. Hi there, I'm Eric, here with Serge, Master Technician at Hyundai, and today we're discussing winter tires. Serge, when is the right time to switch over to winter tires?
We recommend tire changeover when the temperature drops to 7 degrees Celsius.
Why should we install winter tires?
Winter tires provide better grip and traction for seasonal road conditions.
What can Canadians do to protect their investment in winter tires?
Wheel alignment is essential to extending the life of your tires. Wheel alignment affects fuel efficiency, tire wear, performance, vehicle handling, and maneuverability.
What should you do if you notice uneven tire wear like under or over inflation and poor alignment?
This should be looked at immediately, as it can cause serious permanent damage to your tires.
Our team of expert technicians can ensure your tires are installed correctly and optimized for winter driving. Want to learn more about Hyundai Genuine Parts and Service? Check out the rest of our video series.